Hello, this is Go Boxing Show, and today I am unboxing Paramount. Here's the Paramount television. We'll go to Mountain Troyer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19. They are all the 20 stars we have. In other words, the Paramount television and the text with the and there's the mountains and the sugar blue. Fun to see young toy unboxing. Well, that's it for today, kids. Always please like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.